Hi, I'm Andrew White, VP Research. I cover Master Data Management.
I'm Nick Gall, Vice President and Distinguished Analyst with Gartner, and I cover Enterprise Architecture. Master Data Management is obviously the management of master data. So the key question then is, what is master data? And despite a lot of confusion around MDM, the concept of master data is pretty simple. It is no more than just the uniform and consistent identifiers and attributes for your key enterprise information.
Master data management is increasingly important because companies are beginning to recognize that it's central to an information management architecture. It's central to an application architecture. If you don't have single definition of the most core fundamental building blocks of your business, it's going to cost you a lot of money to integrate the other applications and the other data stores. So by starting an MDM initiative now, hopefully driven by a business case and building from there, you gradually put back an information architecture at the center of your IT strategy.
The single most important piece of advice I would give to a client around MDM, it is not an IT issue. It is fundamentally a business issue. Yes, we need information technology to execute some of the changes required, but the hard decisions are really to be made by the business. What key pieces of information need to be consistent, and if they're inconsistent now, who's going to have to modify their way of doing business to converge on a more uniform set of data? Those are hard business choices, and the sooner you confront them, the more successful you'll be.
Success with MDM implies a number of things. It suggests that investments in IT across the board, maybe business applications investment, maybe business intelligence investments, maybe investments in service-oriented architecture, it means that those investments are beginning to pay off and the rewards are in excess of what you expected. Traditionally, when our data is disparate and inconsistent, any investment only returns a very limited return because we're spending our time after the event cleaning the data up. So if MDM is working for you, it means that your investments are beginning to pay off much more than they did previously.
Probably one of the biggest trends around master data management is the notion that it's not just enterprise master data, it's really industry master data. Great example is the healthcare industry, which is right now attempting to standardize some of the key master data shared between physicians, hospitals, patients, labs, etc. So when you have to coordinate not just within your enterprise, but across your entire industry, the complexity level goes up tremendously. But there are a number of efforts underway in healthcare and other industries to do it at an industry level. The advantage will be greater consistency not just within your enterprise, but across the whole supply chain of your industry.
The event theme for the Master Data Management Summit in Europe this year is about building business value and making MDM work. One of the biggest challenges end users face is actually building the business case and linking MDM to a business value. So we're doing the best we can to assemble our research and our speakers to help users build that business case for their future MDM program.